Before following the steps to install Kali Linux on a Windows 10 PC, firstly ensure that you are running the latest version of Windows 10, that is the version 2004 or higher. You can check your OS build by searching winver in the Start search menu. Next, we have to enable Windows-Subsystem-Linux, or often abbreviated as WSL. To do so, run PowerShell as administrator and paste the first command from the description of this video. The next thing we have to do is enable the virtual machine platform. Again, copy the command to do so from the description of this video and paste it in PowerShell. After executing these two commands, you have to restart your computer. If everything goes well, both WSL and virtual machine platform might have been enabled by now. You can verify that using Windows feature on or off. Next, we have to set the version to WSL2. To do so, once again run PowerShell as administrator and download the WSL update using the link shared by PowerShell. Install the downloaded WSL update and you are good to go. Now we can finally enable WSL2. The command to activate it is once again in the description. Next up, you have to download Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. Once downloaded, launch Kali Linux and choose a username and password. For installing graphic user interface, first type the command sudo apt update to update the preferences. Next, type sudo apt update and sudo apt install kali-win-kex. Lastly, say yes to install the software. The installation process can take anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Once completed, type kex to start the Kali interface. So that's it for today's video and thanks for watching.